We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have binomial x plus 1, and in the second we have trinomial because we have three terms, x minus z minus 1. How we do multiplication of polynomials? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal, we have to multiply x times this whole expression in the parenthesis, x minus z minus 1, and next we have plus 1 times this whole expression in the parenthesis, so we have x minus z minus 1. So this is equal. Next we have to use distributive law of multiplication. First we have to distribute x over each term in the polynomial, and in the second expression we have to distribute 1 over each term in the polynomial. So we have x times x. Next we have, again, when we don't have sign, it's always positive. Positive times negative, so it will be negative. X times z is xz. Different variables, so we have to copy them. X times negative 1 is negative x. Positive times negative give me negative. We don't have to write 1 because 1 times x is still x. And next we have positive 1 times x first. Positive times positive give me positive. 1 times x is x. And now 1 times negative z, so it will be negative z, and 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms and do multiplication if we can. In the first expression we have x times x, so we copy the base and we add exponent. When we don't have exponent, it's always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. X times x is x squared. Next we have negative xz, and we have negative x and positive x. So this two expression we can cancel out because here is like invisible 1 and 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So it doesn't matter what we have after 1. Whatever we have after 1, this still will be cancelled out. So this negative x and positive x we can cancel out, and we have next negative z and negative 1. Now we have different terms, so we cannot do anything. This is my solution.